If you're wondering which YouTube cameras are worth your money, stick around. After we run through each product, I'll give you my personal take. Would I buy it or would I skip it? No fluff, just my honest opinion. Let's get into it. Panasonic Lumix GH7. This camera is a powerhouse for YouTube creators, offering incredible 4K video quality and unlimited recording time thanks to its built-in cooling fan. The new sensor and improved autofocus make it one of the best hybrid cameras you can buy right now. Perfect for those who want to shoot both photos and videos. I love the fact that it can record ProRes RAW internally, giving you more flexibility in post-production. The only downside might be its bulky size for a micro Four Thirds camera, but the trade-off in features is worth it. Would I buy it? Yes. The GH7's combination of video features, image quality, and versatility make it a top choice for serious YouTube content creators. Fujifilm XS20. This camera is a great option for those looking for a more affordable YouTube setup. It offers improved video features and a new vlog mode, making it user-friendly for beginners. The image quality is excellent, with good dynamic range and lovely colors. However, the EVF resolution is a bit low compared to the higher-end models, which might be a drawback for some users. The battery life is impressive, with 750 CIPA-rated shots, which is great for long shooting sessions. Would I buy it? Maybe. While it's a solid camera with great features for YouTube, it might not be the best choice for those who need more advanced video capabilities. Insta360 X4. This 360-degree camera is a game-changer for solo content creators. It can shoot 8K 360-degree footage, which can be reframed into 4K videos. Perfect for capturing your surroundings without worrying about framing. The image stabilization is impressive, making it great for action shots or walking vlogs. However, it's quite pricey, starting at $529 for the basic package, and you might need to invest in additional accessories. The learning curve for editing 360 footage might be steep for some users. Would I buy it? Maybe. It's an innovative tool for YouTube creators, but the price and specialized nature might not be for everyone. Canon PowerShot V10. This compact vlogging camera has some interesting features like a built-in stand and vertical design, which could be handy for quick setups. The audio quality is surprisingly good, even without additional wind muffles. However, the non-removable battery with disappointing runtime is a major drawback for long shooting sessions. The auto mode is also quite inflexible, which might frustrate more experienced users looking for creative control. Would I buy it? No. While it has some unique features, the limitations in battery life and creative control make it hard to recommend over other options in this lineup. GoPro Hero 12. This action cam packs a punch with its 5.3K 60 video capability and impressive HDR support, making your vlogs pop with vibrant colors. The new wireless audio support and standard tripod mount are game changers for content creators, but I'm not thrilled about losing GPS functionality. Battery life has improved, lasting about 10 minutes longer than its predecessor, but it still might not get you through a full day of shooting. The image quality is top-notch for its size, but the DJI Osmo Action 4 outperforms it in low-light situations. Would I buy it? Maybe. While it's a solid upgrade from the Hero 11, the $50 price bump might not be worth it for everyone, especially if you're not utilizing the new HDR features. Panasonic Lumix S52. This full-frame mirrorless camera is a beast for video, offering 6K 30p and 4K 60p 10-bit recording options that'll make your YouTube content shine. The new 779-point phase detection autofocus system is a massive improvement, finally bringing Panasonic up to speed with its competitors. I love the fully articulating screen and the lighter weight compared to some other full-frame options, but the EVF, while good, doesn't quite match up to top-tier models. The menu system is intuitive and easy to navigate, which is a relief when you're trying to adjust settings on the fly. Would I buy it? Maybe. It's a fantastic camera with pro-level features, but the price point might be overkill if you're just starting out on YouTube. Sony ZV-1 II. This compact vlogging powerhouse has seriously impressed me with its new 18 to 50mm equivalent lens. Perfect for those wide-angle selfie shots we all love. The intelligent microphone does a great job of capturing clear audio, and the background defocus and product showcase features are lifesavers for solo content creators. I'm a bit disappointed that they removed the optical image stabilization, replacing it with digital stabilization that crops the image slightly. The battery life is still on the shorter side, giving you about 45 to 75 minutes of video, so you might want to pack some spares for longer shoots. Would I buy it? Yes. Despite a few drawbacks, the improvements in the lens and vlogging-specific features make this a top contender for YouTube creators. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This little gem has blown me away with its 1-inch CMOS sensor and 4K 120fps capability, delivering stunning video quality in a pocket-sized package. The 2-inch rotatable touchscreen is a game-changer for framing shots, and the ability to switch between horizontal and vertical shooting is perfect for creating content for different platforms. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization is incredibly smooth, rivaling even the latest action cams. My only gripe is that it's not weatherproof, so you'll need to be careful in challenging environments. Would I buy it? Yes. The combination of portability, image quality, and versatile shooting options make this an excellent choice for YouTubers on the go. Canon EOS R. While it's a capable full-frame mirrorless camera, the EOS R falls short for YouTube content creation. Its 4K video comes with a significant crop factor, limiting your field of view. The lack of in-body image stabilization means you'll need to rely on lens-based stabilization or external gimbals for smooth footage. The single UHS-2 SD card slot might be a concern for those who want redundancy in their recordings. The flip-out touchscreen is nice for vlogging, but the overall package doesn't quite hit the mark for dedicated YouTube use. Would I buy it? No. The crop factor in 4K and lack of IBIS make it less appealing for YouTube content creation compared to newer alternatives. Sony Alpha 6700. This camera is a powerhouse for YouTube creators. It boasts a 26-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor with in-body image stabilization, perfect for handheld vlogging. The comprehensive set of video features, including 4K 60p recording and 10-bit 42:2 color, allows for high-quality, flexible footage, and its impressive autofocus system with real-time tracking ensures you stay in focus, even when moving around. The fully articulating screen is a game-changer for self-recording and monitoring your shots. Would I buy it? Yes. The combination of image quality, stabilization, and advanced video features make it an excellent choice for YouTube content creation. Canon EOS R10. This APS-C mirrorless camera packs a punch for YouTube creators. It offers uncropped 4K 30p video and oversampled 4K 60p with a slight crop, giving you flexibility in your shooting. The dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system provides excellent autofocus performance, crucial for keeping yourself or your subjects in focus. The vari-angle touchscreen is perfect for vlogging and self-recording. While it lacks in-body image stabilization, the digital stabilization works well for most situations. Would I buy it? Yes. Its combination of features, compact size, and affordable price point make it a great option for YouTube content creators. Nikon Z30. While designed with vloggers in mind, the Z30 has some limitations for YouTube use. The lack of a viewfinder might be a deal breaker for some, though it does help keep the camera compact. The absence of in-body image stabilization means you'll need to rely on lens VR or external stabilization for smooth footage. The autofocus, while good, isn't quite as advanced as some competitors in this price range. However, its impressive low-light performance up to ISO 6400 is a plus for indoor or low-light shooting. Would I buy it? No. While it has some good features for vlogging, the lack of IBIS and a viewfinder make it less versatile compared to other options in its class for YouTube content creation. Sony ZV E10. This APS-C vlogging camera offers highly detailed 4K video quality and impressive 1080 to 120p slow motion capture. Its glass-leading autofocus tracking with face and eye detection is a game-changer for content creators. However, the lack of in-body image stabilization might be a deal-breaker for some vloggers who prefer handheld shooting. The compact size and flip-out screen make it a solid choice for on-the-go content creation, but it's not without its limitations. Would I buy it? Maybe. While it offers great features for vlogging, the lack of IBIS and potential overheating issues in 4K might make some creators hesitate. Sony ZV E10 II. This updated version brings a new sensor and larger battery, addressing some of the shortcomings of its predecessor. The improved video capabilities and enhanced autofocus system make it an even more compelling option for vloggers and content creators. The addition of a product showcase setting is perfect for those who frequently feature product in their videos. With its compact size and impressive feature set, it's hard to find fault with this camera for YouTube content creation. Would I buy it? Yes. The improvements over the original model make it an excellent choice for vloggers, offering great value and performance in a compact package. DJI Pocket 2. This pocket-sized gimbal camera boasts excellent face tracking and unrivaled 3-axis stabilization, perfect for smooth handheld vlogging. The wireless mic option in the Creator Combo is a fantastic addition for improved audio quality. However, its poor low-light performance and struggles with high-contrast scenes can be limiting for some creators. While it's incredibly portable, the small sensor size doesn't compare to larger vlogging cameras in terms of overall image quality. Would I buy it? No. Despite its impressive stabilization, the limitations in image quality and versatility make it less appealing for serious YouTube content creators compared to more traditional camera options. OM System Olympus OM5. This compact micro 4/3 camera offers impressive image stabilization and unique features like Live ND and handheld high-res mode. Its weather-sealed body and dust removal system make it ideal for outdoor vlogging in challenging conditions. However, the autofocus system struggles with moving subjects, which can be problematic for dynamic YouTube content. The smaller sensor size also limits its low light performance compared to APS-C and full-frame alternatives. Would I buy it? No. While it has some interesting features, its lackluster autofocus performance and limited video capabilities make it less suitable for dedicated YouTube creators compared to more video-centric options on the market. Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. This camera packs a punch with its 6K resolution and Super 35 sensor, delivering stunning image quality for YouTube videos. The built-in ND filters are a game changer, saving you time and money on external filters. However, the battery life is a bit disappointing and you might need to invest in additional power solutions for longer shoots. The lack of continuous autofocus can be a deal breaker for some vloggers who need to stay in focus while moving. Would I buy it? Maybe. It's a powerful tool for cinematic YouTube content, but the short battery life and manual focus might be challenging for some creators. Canon PowerShot G7 X Mark III. This compact powerhouse is a vlogger's dream with its flip-up screen and 4K video capabilities. The built-in YouTube live streaming feature is a game changer for content creators who want to engage with their audience in real time. The 20.1 megapixel 1-inch sensor delivers excellent image quality even in low light conditions. While the autofocus can be a bit finicky at times, the overall performance is impressive for its size and price point. Would I buy it? Yes. Its compact size, great video features, and live streaming capabilities make it an excellent choice for YouTube creators on the go. Sony A7 RV. This full-frame beast boasts a whopping 61 megapixel sensor, delivering incredibly detailed images and videos. The new AI-driven autofocus system is mind-blowingly accurate, especially for human and animal subjects. However, the high resolution comes at a cost, both in terms of price and file sizes, which can be overwhelming for YouTube creators. The camera's complexity might be overkill for most vloggers, with a steep learning curve to master all its features. Would I buy it? No. While it's an incredible camera, its high price and complexity make it overkill for most YouTube creators, unless you're producing extremely high-end content. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you pick the best YouTube cameras for you. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Links to all of these products mentioned in this video will be in the description. Alright, peace out.